Okay, now if you are new to my channel, you may not have seen my unboxing of the SoundPeats H1 True Wireless earbuds. In that video, I said that after I do the review, that's going to be it for the SoundPeats Chronicles for a while. And I also tweeted that out on Twitter. And I told you to stay tuned. Well, here's why. Hello everybody, my name is Septian. If it's your first time here, I review True Wireless stereo earbuds and in-ear monitors. And the SoundPeats Chronicles continues with the TrueAir 3. Oh boy. So I was looking on Amazon this week. I was looking up some old earbuds to look at the features and do a comparison video, and I saw these, so I went ahead and bought them. Now supposedly these are supposed to be the sequel to the TrueAir 2, or maybe even the TrueAir 2 Plus. Because if you look at the product listing on Amazon, they got the TrueAir case right next to these. So there's a white girl with the French braid. She's got the earbuds in her ears. Right here on the side, you can see that the case is, this design of the case is different. And here are some of the features. They come with Qualcomm QCC 3040 chip, Qualcomm True Wireless mirroring technology, and yet Qualcomm aptX adaptive. So some of the same features as the newer buds like the H1, the Sonic Pro, the TrueAir 2 Plus. Let's open the box and let's see what's inside. Let's take the styrofoam off. Okay, already right now I can see this might be the smallest. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna put that to the side. Let's see what else is inside the box. Let's see, the little box, this is gonna be the charging cable, and because from what I can tell, these look like AirPod knockoffs. Yep, you got USB-A, the USB-C cable, and looks like the user manual. And yep, comes in multiple languages. Let's see if these have full touch controls. Yep, they do. Volume up, previous track, next track, answer, hang up calls, reject calls, switch between call devices, manually enter pairing mode, activate voice assistant. Oh, they also have a game mode on here. That's different. And ta-da! SoundPeats figured out the light on the for the charging for the buds. So green is 50 to 100%, yellow is 10 to 49, red is 10% or less. That's how you do it. So let's look at the buds. This might be a smaller case than the SoundPeats Mini from the look of it. Wow, that is really small. Okay, to compare that, here is the Edifier TWS1 Pro. Review is coming. Okay, let me get my big unboxing knife here. I'll close it. Yeah, that's really small. Okay, let me put it in my 15 pocket. Yep, it goes all the way up in there. Let me get my periodic audio 10 here. Look at that. That's really small. You could lose these things. Okay, let's pull the buds out. It's got a matte finish around the charging case. Got the one light. I like that they put the reset button up front. That light just blinked green, so we got plenty of juice on here. We got the SoundPeats logo branding on the top of the lid. And the lid is, it's not too bad. Got USB Type-C charging. That's a plus. Now the earbuds themselves, oh, they got some new stuff going on here. Look at all of this silver on the bottom. Okay, we got a microphone right there. We got another microphone right there. And the SoundPeats shield, the rounded shield. That'll be your the multifunction button. Yep, these definitely do look like AirPods. Let me put them in the ear and see how comfortable they are. Okay, these things are comfortable. I just heard a little beep. All right, let me pair these up with my Nordy BT phone. Let's see here. Yep, SoundPeats Air3. Okay, see what happens. Okay, pairing successful. Connected. There you go. Qualcomm aptX adaptive. So if the phone supports it, okay, let me go in and say, yep, Qualcomm aptX adaptive audio. All right, I'm gonna go into settings. I'm going to, well, the wrong one. That's the wrong thing. Let me go into developer settings here. Scroll a little bit till we get to the Bluetooth options. Where is it at? Here we go. Okay, HD audio is turned on. You got Bluetooth audio codec, streaming in Qualcomm aptX adaptive audio. Click on that. And this is what the earbuds support: SBC, AAC, aptX, and Qualcomm aptX adaptive. aptX HD and LDAC is grayed out. No big deal. Okay. Let me open up, let me go to Spotify right quick. All right, now, Spotify right quick. All right, now, since I know SoundPeats so much, I'm guessing double tap is pause play. Yeah, it's something like, I gotta turn it on manually first. Okay. Okay, it's doing something. Hold up. Maybe I don't know SoundPeats like I thought I did. Okay, pause play. It says auto. Take off either earbud to pause music. Wear either earbud or both together to play music. Oh man. They got rid of the, okay, hold on. Okay, so they have in-ear detection now. Okay, so we don't have a tap function for pause play. Oh, wait a minute, yeah you do. It says manually double tap the multifunction button. Okay, so yeah. Cool. In-ear detection. I just found that out. All right. Oh, these get really loud. That's really loud. At max volume is, you can go deaf on that. Okay, let me turn it down. Okay, take one earbud out. Music pauses. Put it back in. Music plays again. I'm impressed. I am thoroughly impressed. And these fit a little snug, a little more snugger or snugly in my ear than the TrueAir 2, TrueAir 2 Plus. So this has been my unboxing of the Air 3 Mini and my first impressions. Be sure to leave a like on this video, comment, share, and thank you for watching. Impressions.